Just cruising down Gratiot. My 19-foot Skyjack. This is what I gotta work with at work. This guy's got something about taking his shirt off. We got like a mile ride drive on the sidewalk in these things.
Driving by.
Quarters. And they gave you up, so. Reach and get it all, but definitely helped. Won't clog my bit up. I'm probably getting all this tar and stuff. These mountal bits is make it jam on. Make it to where you can't take that thing off. This is today's project. And the Pookie busters. Can't even see where the screws are. Let's take two. I got the side. There's probably a screw under there somewhere. See that? Maybe. Tip of the head right there. Screw there. Screw there. Pookie buster. 1/4 inch. First one was up there, right there. It wouldn't actually extract the screw. That one got it. Second one. And it cleared it, didn't get it. Well, it's working. It's saving my bit from this tragedy right here. But seems like it almost needs a longer shank to get it away. With a little magic, it comes on right out. I don't mind the snow. We're here in Michigan here. Pookie busters, baby. Golden. I wasn't even